Morning, family. It's the next day. Just got done with the Orgonite radionics device. There you go. Got the fat quartz in there wrapped up in the copper and the metal wire. Gold and copper, but this is speaker wire. You know, this is black iron oxide mixed with crushed quartz rock and crushed quartz crystal in there. And you know, this old faithful baby Kim, you know, loaded up. Hey man, I'm shooting a damn video and you just all up in my shit. Look at her, my lovely assistant. Childish, but check it out though. Hey Jill, check this shit out. See, it's clouds everywhere, and then we got the fat circle over here, over the spot. Everywhere else is cloudy and streaky from the chemtrails from overnight that they be doing. Hey, your part clean though.
What part?
In your hair.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Straight up. Fat ring of protection. And we good. Peace out. Love y'all.